Does your TV have a black screen? Here I have a other TCL smart TV. This will work for any kind of smart TV. This is a Roku TV, and it turns on, and you can see that the standby light is working. There is sound, but there is just a black screen. So before you throw out your TV, there are a couple fixes that you can try out. Now, this is a very common issue, and there's a couple of solutions that we could do to fix this TV. The first thing that you want to do is look at the side panel of the TV, and hopefully you'll see a reset button like shown here, and you want to press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds and see if that fixes your issue. Now, if that doesn't work or you don't have a reset button, just open up your TV. Sometimes there are these cables, so just be careful when you take out the back panel. Make sure the TV is unplugged, and all TVs basically now have the same kind of things. You have the main board that does all the processing, and there's little stickers as well, so if you have to order a part, you can read the numbers on the stickers. Then there's a TCON board that does all the vertical lines, so if you have lines on your TV, you may want to replace this TCON board. And lastly, we have the power supply board. So if it doesn't even turn on, look at the power supply board. Now, if your TV doesn't have a reset button, what you can do is disconnect all the things on the power supply board. There are a couple connectors, and just take that off. Make sure that all the connectors are off. Have a examine if there's no broken parts. Then put everything back together, and that will do a hard reset. If that still doesn't work, then we need to test the LED strip. And I'm using a voltage LED tester, which I put in the description, and this is measuring the voltage, and you can actually see the light up. That verifies that LED strip is okay. And I was getting 81 volts. Usually there's a couple series of LED strips. I'm measuring the other strip, and I'm getting the same voltage. So if you're getting similar voltages, then it's probably not the backlight issue. So my issue was just doing a hard reset, and it worked. The reason why it could have been black screen was because the backlights are going, or it could have been a loose connection. So after putting everything back together, this solution worked. If you still have an issue, then you can check out my other videos. I have a detailed video linked here that shows you how to replace your backlight. So hopefully do this, do a hard reset before you do anything else. And then the last thing that you would do, it would be actually fixing the backlights if the hard reset doesn't work. If you're interested in repairing electronics, you can subscribe to my channel, or I'll see you in the next repair video.